Hello guys, good day to everyone. Today we are going to talk about this fridge. This is Bosch fridge with dispenser. This is the inside of the fridge, as you can see, very well arranged, and also it looks so unique. It's a fridge you will long to have, you will long to use. Very affordable. This is the freezer down beneath it. As you can see, very unique. This is the inside of the fridge. As you can see, this is the freezer. This is the cool water dispenser. It's very good and very unique.